is what we did with the truck. I finished the sides up, and I put the thing for the back window so it doesn't break the window. And this all was scrap stuff. This was all scrap material we got from different places. This black part, that was from GameStop. And then all these came from a different dumpster. Me and Alan scrapping. You guys could look back. I don't know. I don't remember what video, I don't remember what it was called, but probably like, I don't know, 10, 15 videos ago, something like that.
Hey, Marty.
Yeah.
TV.
Oh yeah. Alan wanted to show you guys the TV. And we got another vacuum cleaner. And I did this side over here too. This was the only part that I had to put this in there because I didn't have any more of these long ones. This came out of a refrigerator that we bought that didn't work, and we got our money back for it. That also was in another video. But yeah, it's solid. Eventually I might put extra sides, like I might come all the way down here with it, but this way we can fill up that far without actually having to tie everything down. You can fill up pretty high there. So what do you think?
What?
About the zombie apocalypse truck?
Cool.
It's a zombie apocalypse dumpster truck.
Why?
So we can haul more goodies. Haul more scrap, more goodies. Alan wants to go curbside tonight.
And dumpster diving.
Yeah, dumpster dive later.
And no, we do dark out.
Yeah.
Why?
Cause.
Can't hold on to. That Lena this time?
No, not Lena.
Why?
Cause she gotta go to school.
Ha ha. Punk.
So yeah, that's the truck. We're gonna go and test it out. Go see if we can find some goodies on the curb.
Yeah.
And then later on, we'll take you guys along with us for another dumpster diving adventure.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Let's do this thing.
Let's do it. And here we go.